Question for part 1, express the following in completing square form. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 21, and that will give us x will become x, 8x squared will become x, and 8 will become 8 divided by 2, 4 square. And we must remember to subtract 4 square and bring down the original 21, so plus 21, and that will give us x minus 4 square minus 16 plus 21, which the final answer will be x minus 4 square plus 5. Now, next part, we already know that from the previous part, by completing square, we have x minus 4 square plus 5. So what does this tell us? This tells us that this actually is a positive x square, so it's going to be a smiley face, and we will have a minimum point. Okay, and what can we find out from the completed square form? We have two numbers down here, negative 4 and positive 5, and we need to use these to find our turning point. So for this one, our y value will be the number 5. What then is going to be the x value? X value happens to be x minus 4 equals to 0, therefore x equals to positive 4. So we know that the minimum value is actually 4, 5. Now, after we have found our turning point, which is a minimum point, we need to next work out the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Since the y-intercept is easier, so let us find out the y-intercept. When x equals to 0, okay, and we will get the value y to be equals to 21. So we know that the y-intercept is equals to 21. So there will be a y value 21 somewhere over here. And we have a minimum value. X is 4, y is 5, maybe somewhere over here. Okay. And if this is the case, this is going to be a smiley face. Will there be any x-intercepts at all? The answer is no, there will be no x-intercept. So in this case, we will have our graph that looks something like this. Okay, and then we label our graph. And this will be the final answer. For the next part, we already know that our equation is x minus 4 whole thing square plus 5. So we will know the coordinates of the turning point to be brackets 4, 5. Please remember to add in the brackets for the coordinates. And to get the equation of the line of symmetry, the answer will be x equals to 4. We made use of the x value found. And remember to write x equals to